Hi, I'm Melissa. Thank you for stopping by my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this easy Valentine's Day inspired look. I'm applying Cover FX Illuminating Primer all over my face. Everyone wants a healthy glow, especially in the winter. I'm applying Cover FX Anti-Age Smoothing Eye Primer on my eyes. This eye primer does not add any coverage, but it feels so nice going on and is moisturizing. From the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm applying the color in Light all over my eyelid up to the brow bone. And that just gives us a really pretty shimmery base to start with. I am going in with the color Pooter in the transition area. And that name absolutely cracks me up. And I'm using a big Lab Just Blending In brush. I'm going in with the dark red color from the Shu Uemura Cosmic Blossom Eye and Cheek palette in the crease. I'm applying the shimmery yellow right on my eyelid. And I'm focusing this color right in the center. I'm using Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen to add a liner. I'm adding brows, face makeup, and some lashes, and I will be right back. I am back, and I'm wearing Allure's Gilded Luxe Lashes. These are super dense and black lashes. The blush I'm using is Love Hangover from Too Faced. I'm using Becca's Opal Shimmering Skin Perfector to add a little highlight. I'm using that In Light shadow, which is that first color we used from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and focusing that on the inner corner and under the eye in the center. I'm using the shimmery yellow shadow underneath the eye in the center. And finally, I'm using that red that we used in the crease right under the eye on the outer corner. For my waterline, I'm using Maybelline's Lasting Drama Light Liner in Starlit Gold. I am applying Clinique's Bottom Lash Mascara on my bottom lashes. To finish off this look, I'm using Dark Pink from LipSense, which is super long lasting lipstick that lasts up to 18 hours. I'm applying it in 3 thin layers and letting it dry between each layer. So here is 3 layers of dark pink. So with LipSense, you always have to seal with a gloss, and I am using Glossy Gloss. So here is our final makeup look. So my inspiration for my look today was Valentine's Day. I wanted to incorporate some red, some pink lips, a lot of shimmer, and this is what I came up with. Give me a thumbs up if you're going to be rocking some Valentine's Day makeup. Please subscribe for more makeup tutorials and product reviews. I hope you have a very happy Valentine's Day and a gorgeous week. I am still so blown away with this palette. The quality is amazing. Also, if you're interested in trying the dark pink LipSense, get in touch with me in the box below.